Hi, welcome to another one of my cooking shows. Today we're going to be making some banana muffin. So this is a quick bread, and the reason why they call it quick bread because it's quick to make and quick to bake. Okay, so to start off, this will be our ingredients. So first we have some milk, 3 eggs, some corn oil, vanilla extract. Okay, so this is all for the wet ingredient. Okay. Next, we have for the dry ingredient, we have some all-purpose flour, baking powder, white sugar, and brown sugar. The exact measurements of these, I'll type it down in the description box also. Now, for the other ingredients, we have some chopped up or diced bananas, okay, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and some chopped up walnuts. Okay, and we also have some whole walnuts later on for the topping. So this is to make our banana muffin look better, more presentable. Okay, all right. So before we get started, since this is a quick bread, one thing to note is I've already started to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Actually, I preheated to about 400 so that later on when I open the oven door, stick the banana muffins in there, then I lower it down to about 350. So that way I don't lose too much temperature. Also, having said that, I've also gotten the muffin pans pre-greased. So you just gotta brush it with a little bit of corn oil is what I did. And then line them up with the cupcake or muffin liners. And try to, if you have the spray, you can also spray some grease onto the muffin liners so that it prevents them from sticking in the muffin. Okay, so to get started in mixing this, first we mix all together the dry ingredient. So this would be the all-purpose flour, about 400 grams, about 21 grams of baking powder. Okay, together, mix them. Okay. Together with this, the sugar, both white and brown sugar. We transfer it over to the bigger bowl. Just makes the mixing all that easier. Then we can add in some of the other ingredients, which is the chocolate chip, chopped up walnuts, okay. A spoon to mix it. We can now add in our ripe bananas. These are diced ripe bananas. Now on a separate bowl, we're going to be mixing in our wet ingredient, starting with the milk. Okay, so this is, after the milk, it'll be some, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Teaspoon. 3 eggs. Okay. And some corn oil. Okay. So this is about 205 grams of corn oil. Okay. After this, now we take the wet ingredient and mix it together with the dry ingredient. This is called the one-stage mixing method, where you just basically fold all the ingredients together. Different people mixes them differently, but one thing to remember is we do not want to over mix. Otherwise, we'd end up with tough and chewy muffins. As long as it's not in lumps. Okay. So once the mixture is like this, we can already spoon it into the muffin pan. Okay. It just makes it easier. Now we don't want to fill in the muffin pans. Now top it off with a piece of walnut. Make it look nicer. You can also top it off with some a slice of banana if you'd like, so that also look nice. Maybe I'll do that. All right. Okay, so now that our oven has preheating, it's about 375 degrees right now. So we stick this in there, and this one should bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so now that it has been baking for about 25 minutes, our muffins are ready. There they are. So now we're gonna have to cool these down, and then we're gonna make the second batch of muffins. So just like that. They're nicely browned. Okay, so for this second batch, I wanted to put some sliced bananas for toppings. Okay. And also a slice of walnut in each of them. So, banana. Okay. And a piece of walnut. Alright, now it's time to bake them in the oven. So as our oven still continues to preheat at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I can just quickly throw this in there. Okay, so after about 25 minutes, now our muffins are ready. Look at that. Alright. So take them out of the muffin pans and so that they can cool down properly. Okay. Alright, so these are banana muffins. Till next time, I'll see you around.